Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit your reviews on Etsy. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. What you need to do first of all is open any type of browser you have on your PC. After you open up a browser, go to Etsy.com. If you can't find it, you can go to Google and search for Etsy and click on the first link which appears on your screen. What you need to do next is sign into your account. After you sign into your account, you will see this type of profile where you can buy stuffs from Etsy. So if you want to know how you can edit it, you can just go ahead and click on your profile. So you can see the profile on the top right hand side. Just click on it and go to purchases and reviews. So go ahead and click on it and you can find your reviews and purchases over here. So if you don't have any purchases yet, this type of thing will be shown. So make your first purchase on Etsy and review them. And if you want to change the review and if you want to see it and edit it on the future, you will find them right here. So click on your profile, click on purchases and reviews, and you will find all of your purchases and reviews history, and then you can edit the reviews. I hope this video about how you can edit the reviews on Etsy was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.